Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce warranty claims with Honda step by step clearly. To reduce warranty claims with Honda, it's essential to understand the common causes of these claims. Begin by analyzing the data on past warranty claims. Identify the most frequent issues reported by customers. Gather insights from service technicians regarding recurring problems. Next, implement a comprehensive training program for all service staff. Focus this training on troubleshooting and repairs of frequently claimed issues. Encourage open communication between technicians and customers. Provide clear documentation on warranty terms and conditions to both staff and customers. Establish a quality control process for all repairs performed. Regularly review the service work to ensure it meets Honda's standards. Engage with customers after service visits to gather feedback. Create a customer satisfaction survey to evaluate their experiences. Respond promptly to any concerns raised by customers. This builds trust and allows for proactive problem solving. Consider offering extended warranties on certain services to increase customer. Develop a preventive maintenance program to encourage regular checkups. Educate customers on the importance of maintaining their vehicle. Host workshops or informational sessions to provide valuable knowledge. Evaluate and adjust your service offerings based on customer needs and market trends. Lastly, monitor and track warranty claims consistently. Analyze the effectiveness of the strategies implemented. Make necessary adjustments based on the insights gained from this ongoing evaluation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.